Hey kiddo, what's up?
Today we're going to do unboxing about Oppo A33.
Okay.
Let's make it rain about this Oppo A33. And it comes with the case. It didn't come with the case. We ordered it, and after the phone came, that day it came like 1 hour, 2 hours, maybe I don't know. This phone came first, and this case came in exact same day. See? Okay. Now let's start. But before we start, I'm going to tell the details about this phone. 3 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM, and 32 GB
32
storage.
GB storage, okay.
And most thing about this case also has a stand.
Oh,
Okay, stand.
okay.
So, and it has a Snapdragon processor.
Oh,
And 13 pixels camera and 2 pixels for 2 cameras.
totally 3 cameras, is it?
Yes.
One of 13 megapixels and two of 2 pixels each.
Yes.
Okay.
So now
Cool.
we'll unbox it, but you know what to do. Postmaster like. Postmaster so far.
That's fun.
Okay, so now let's do an unboxing.
Funny.
First I'm going to see by myself, and let's show it to you guys. Okay? And take it out my side. So the phone, I think the phone is in this. Yep, found the phone, it's in this. Let me take this thing out. Yes.
No, that's Oppo A33.
And it comes with
Quite a big phone, pin also.
this pin.
Okay.
Open it here. You can take this thing off.
Okay.
If you take it, and you got to do it like that.
Oh, okay.
But
Excellent.
I'm not going to take it out now.
Okay.
First, you got to do a review.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And can you see it's written Oppo?
Okay. Yeah.
But if it becomes shampoo, that's it. I'm going to try more shampoo, okay? It says set up your Oppo phone.
Okay.
And it says to select language.
Okay.
I selected my language, it's going to be English. But I chose English, but I changed my mind. I gone back and changed it to Tamil. I got
No. Keep it in English. Keep it
okay,
English.
I put it English. Okay, it's asking to
Because I know your Tamil skills.
okay, now we have my mother's old phone here. So now we are going to, back
Exchange the data. Okay.
Yes.
What will you do?
Yes, it's exchanging. But before exchange, you know what to do? Tell you guys, I'm going to give you two options. Do we got to download a clone app, or should we do the authentication? You guys pick. I'll do it.
Okay. We can download a clone app.
Okay.
We got to download in both the phones?
Okay, I downloaded the app. It's downloaded. Now it's actually says like 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually 60 seconds is 1 minute.
60 seconds is 1 minute. Yeah, that's good information.
Okay, the phone has unlocked.
Okay. Let me show that close.
Ready.
Oh, the case is cool.
Guys, hey, who counted the case? This is the last. First the phone. How's this phone?
Hmm.
Cool, right?
Hmm.
So it's the unlock password. You know the privacy.
Oh, okay. You care about privacy as well?
Yes.
Okay.
So these are the apps. Look, it's cool app.
Oh, it comes with lot of apps. Oh,
Yes.
nice.
Okay. I'm going to show how to use this phone.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Oppo A33.
Okay.
So, if you need to download an app, or if there's no apps here, you can't. It's the most high-end Android phone you can never get.
No, no, it's high end, but it's not the most highest.
Yes,
Okay.
but there's also 5G is the most biggest.
Yeah, 5G, yes.
But they haven't released this in
India yet.
yes. But we have bought a 5G phone, but there's no SIM. We're putting a 4G SIM.
It's only 4G SIM, okay. You are a tech geek.
No, you are the beak with the geek.
Okay, right, carry on.
Okay, if you. So,
You didn't show the charger.
charger, yeah. I forgot. I took out the charger. Oh, where's this? Woo! Charger.
Where's the charging plug?
It's right here. So, let's see. So, this way is called. Can you see this plug in way? So, it can't go that way. But that's a clear one, right? So, you got to put it like this. And let's see charge first. Come on. Let's go. Let's say, should I supposed to charge again?
What is that?
Manual. What is this? Is this the manual or Oppo's Opal?
You do it yourself manual.
Yes, but this is not doing yourself. Let's just do it by ourselves.
Okay.
Because this is not a manual. This is a Oppo well.
Hmm.
This is like a well that goes down.
Okay, start. Let's see.
Okay, now let's start it. Again. So first let's sign in our accounts. Whose account should we sign in? My mom's account?
Yes,
Because it's my mom's phone.
but again, privacy.
Yes, perhaps.
You need to be careful about.
Okay, let's go to Y and see her wife
Hmm.
first. Okay, let's see how much.
You have downloaded Vibe?
Yes. Now let's go to photos. Let's see what photos are there. There's a lot. Look, we even have the pics of my dad's phone. 5G phone, 5G.
Okay.
Let's see what else are there. It's loading very slow.
Slow?
Yes.
You said it's a fast process?
Fast processor.
Snapdragon.
Snapdragon, but I'm not going to snap a dragon. This phone doesn't have a hand to snap a dragon.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Alright, what are you going to show in that?
Next,
Comes with games? Good for gaming?
good for gaming, but no gamings. Because
Okay.
virus.
Virus. What is the problem? Virus comes with the games?
Just
Oh.
some games, no. Every game, even one each game. Oh look, you found a new app.
Hmm.
Oppo service, like Oppo Manager,
Ah.
calculator, clone phone, which I just
Downloaded, okay.
downloaded.
Okay, you
Okay.
connected to Wi-Fi and downloaded, okay.